Creating tutorial videos in 2026 should not feel like a full-time editing job. You record your screen for 10 minutes and then spend 2 hours editing zooms, cleaning audios, adding effects, and trying to make the video look very professional. But what if an AI tool could handle all of this work automatically? Today, I'm going to show you one of the most impressive AI screen recorders that I have tested recently called FocuSee. And honestly, this tool completely changes how tutorial videos and walkthrough tutorials are created. Whether you're a student creating presentations, a teacher recording lessons, or a freelancer making client tutorials, or a content creator producing software walkthroughs, this tool can save you a massive amount of time. What makes FocuSee different from traditional screen recorders is that it doesn't just record your screen. It actually uses AI to automatically transform your raw recording into a polished professional video. For example, instead of manually adding zoom effects during editing, FocuSee automatically detects your mouse movement and highlights important actions with smooth auto zoom animations, so viewers always know exactly where to focus. It also adds cinematic 3D motion effects that instantly make your tutorials look premium and engaging without needing advanced editing tools. And if you want to add a more personal touch to your tutorials, FocuSee even includes an AI avatar feature so that you can appear on screen without setting up a professional camera or complicated lighting. Another thing I really like about FocuSee is its AI audio enhancement feature, because clear audio is extremely important in tutorial videos. FocuSee automatically removes background noise and enhances your voice clarity. So in this video, I'm going to show you a complete practical demonstration on how to use FocuSee step by step. So by the end of this video, you will see why creators are calling this one of the best screen recorders for tutorial videos in 2026. Let's get started. So the first thing is, let's start to learn how to access FocuSee. We can access it by coming to focusee.imobile.com, and it will bring you over here, and you can see you can just go ahead and download it. It is available for Windows and Mac operating system. Whichever one you are working on, you can download and install it. It's a fantastic tool that you can see. You can do this 3D view, and you can do another 3D like this, or you can be zooming in and out of any of your recording directly, just like so. All right, so there are quite a lot of things you can do, picture in picture, and you can continue to zoom in. You can alter the mouse properties, and you can add in different kind of avatars and so on, which we're going to learn directly. So you can download and install. I have just downloaded mine and I have installed it, and let's look at how to use it. Now let's come through my Windows tab in here and just type in FocuSee, and you'll be able to see it in here. So you'll be exposed to this very feature, which the first option is you can be able to record full screen if you want to record full screen, or if you want to do custom recording, you can define the size or location of what you want to record within your system, and then you can record a whole window if you want to record a whole window as well. And then you can record your device. If you connect it with your phone, you can be able to record directly as well. Over here, you can define the type of camera that you want to record with. At this moment, I don't want to use any camera. You can define the audio, and you can define the speaker, system speaker that you want to use. Now this is the teleprompter feature, which will enable you to add in text. You can copy and paste in text, which you can be reading directly from here. You have some basic control features. There are settings in here which you can change language, check for updates, and so on. So for this, I'm going to do a basic full screen recording of this of my system directly. So I can just go ahead and click on full screen. You are now recording your screen. So I'm back into the system and I'm recording my screen right now. You can see I'm recording. So this is the place where you can put in the address, and then you can access FocuSee. And then once you're here, you can be able to see all of these features. So with any of the highlighted area, you take note after how it is going to be zooming to those locations. Okay, so you can see I'm just showcasing the beauty of FocuSee. Right now I'm recording my screen, don't forget, and I'm just showcasing the different things that I have, right? So assuming I'm done, let's say I'm going to stop at these 40 seconds, and let's see what I have just recorded directly. So let's see, I'm back into the system and I'm recording my screen right now. You can see I'm recording. So this is the place where you can put in the address, and then you can access FocuSee. And then once you are here, you can be able to see all of these features. So with any of the highlighted area, you take note after where how it is going to be zooming to those locations. Okay, so you can see, I think you have seen it, everything is in here, the zooming in and the fact that it is using my mouse movement to actually zoom into positions. Can you see? And then highlight things. This is the 2D effect. You can do the 3D also if you want to show the 3D effect as well. Or you can okay, so while here, this is the original size. You can play around with the sizing. You can use 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, or 9:16, or you have custom sizes over here, which for example we're doing YouTube, so let's say 16:9, and everything is now adjusted to 16:9. Okay, so you have a bunch of other things, like you can make roundness of the sides, you can do shadow, you can add shadow, background also. If you want to add any background to this, you can see you've added some background to it. If you like, you can change it, and then you can put many other things. Fixed zoom part you can enable or disable, and then over here is the mouse feature. You can play around with the mouse type and size. So mouse style, you can use this, and you can see right now it has changed it. You can play around with the sizing as well of the mouse, and other styles, that effects that you can add. These are effects that when you click, it is going to show. So for example, let's say we go with something like this, and once you play, whenever place where you can put in the address, and then you can add here. So down here you can play around with the opacity, the size of the mouse. You can play around and increase or decrease it if you want. And then down here you can use the sparkle, like I said. Cause click sound, you can enable it. Hide cursor when idle, you can enable it as well if you're interested. Okay, so this is about cursor. You have annotations. If you want to use annotations during your presentation, for example, you can click to add, and then you can vary the location if you want, and then you can move it to that location and specify the size as well. All right, and the length, okay, of which it covers. Okay, and then so when you play, you'll be able to see the effect of what you place where you can is it fantastic. So you can add different kind of annotations from here. You can use arrows and so on. This is text. Okay, so you can specify the position as well where you want the text to be. So that's about annotations. And you can have you can change the font style, the coloration, the background, and the corner radius of the text background, and the background opacity. You can change everything from here, as well as you can bold and change the size also. Now down here you have the option to use camera. If you want to add an avatar, you can click to add an avatar. For example, you can define your own avatar, or you can use the pre-existing avatars that you have in here. Okay, so you can see so many of them. You can click to have a preview of some of the avatars that you have. You can add them, and they will continue to read from the script that you have. So it's very, very easy to add avatars directly. Now over here you have captions. If you want to add captions or local captions, you can do that as well. And then we have watermark if you want to add animations, if you want to play around, zoom in and out, you want to put in some smoothness, and the movement type. Okay, you can make it custom movement and play around with the features directly from here. Then the smart curve if you want to add, and then the AI avatar if you want to access it, like we've explained earlier. Now over here you have the option to check in the file. Okay, you can record. If you want to record more, you can record more from your device. Again, you can record more, and you can extract source files, and you can check history as well. Now down here, this is where you can share the video that you've created. You can click to share, copy the link and give it a name, and then you can upload and share this on your cloud, or you can come to export if you are done with all the editings that you have, and then you can be able to give the video a name. Specify the location that you want to save it in your system, and then specify the format. MP4 is best, frame rate is 30, resolution we go with 1080p, quality we go with recommended. And once you are okay with everything, you can just go ahead and click on export, and now the video that you have created will be exported. One other thing that I want to show you is the issue of cropping. You can crop and you can cut on the clips that you have down here. So it's very easy to use this FocuSee. It's a wonderful software that you can use. It's one of the best screen recorder, because when you start using it, it is going to give you the AI feature, the opportunity to even discard a lot of your editors. So once you record your screen, you now can enhance your voice, can enhance the output of what you have created. So and all this zoom in, zoom out and basic editing, so you don't have to wait for anybody. So you can open the folder that you have created. Yes, so audio enhancement, you can see it over here. You can do volume enhancement, audio noise reduction, and so on, vocal enhancement, and you can do all of that from here as well. So it's very wonderful. So please go ahead, check out the link in the description of this video and click and then have access to it. But this basically concludes this simple tutorial about how to use FocuSee, the best video recording software in 2026. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.